Presenting Boult Audio Bass Buds Q2 over-ear wired headphones. It is available in black color. The box includes Boult Audio Bass Buds Q2 over-ear wired headphones. It weighs about 150 grams. It comes with wired headphone to have a comfortable listening experience with extra cushions. It is an ergonomically designed drivers that comes with built-in subwoofers for extra punch of bass. It is compatible with all the devices supports 3.5mm aux cable. This product comes with condenser microphone to give instructions to Siri and Google Voice with a simple 2-second click. It has inline controls with inline microphone for hands-free calling. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.